that the rain is what we need to survive this life in this body, to drink that water for the fields and sustain on the grain that comes from that, the sustain on the grains that comes because of the water. A SERP is because of the cloud. We don't see it. We put it aside and we walk in the desert. We don't take ashraya of the cloud. That is our problem. Simply take ashraya of the cloud. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Why is Nita and Gaura arms raised up to the sky? Why? I am not looking for anything around. Anything around. Bhagavan, holy name, everything is yours. I am yours. Everything is yours. I am yours. And just keep me in your loving service. That's what holy name means. That's what Srila Prabhupada said, right? Please engage me in your loving service. Do we need anything more than rain to quench our thirst and to get our food? Oh, bolna. Do we need anything more than the rain? What we try to do is get some buckets of water here and there. For how long will that last? A bucket of water. How much thirst it can quench, for how long it will last? So we look around looking for buckets. We look around going to the ditches, get the water from there. So just the holy name. ऐसा faith होना है पहले. I don't have to look around here. Bhagavan is here. Bhagavan is supremely powerful. Not only that, he is so supremely merciful that he has come down to say, I am here, sitting here. You call out, I will take care of you. और इसके सिवा और क्या mercy होना है? This is the limit of mercy. Gauranga Mahaprabhu came with his Parshadas and saying, I am sitting here in the Nama. You just call out. Call out means prayerfully. Call out. You are calling out. Beggars कैसे पुकारते हैं? Can you give me $1 million? Do we ask like that? Beggar. Does beggar ask like that? No. All we have to do is to the sadhu and the holy name, eki, like a beggar. Amito Kangala, Krishna Krishna bole, Dayi tava pache pache. Amito Kangala, Krishna Krishna bole, Dayi tava pache pache. Ami dayi tava pache pache. Ami dayi tava pache pache. This mood will make the cloud give the rain. Cloud is there. The faith that is given by sadhu on the strength of his mercy and sambandha. Sadhu said Bhagavan is here. Sadhu said Gauranga Mahaprabhu's prema is here. What else do we need? Do we need our mind to say something? Do we need our crippled intelligence to say something? Do we need some news broadcast to say something? What else are we looking for? When Sadhu is saying holy name is here, the Gauranga Mahaprabhu's prema is here, what else do we need? To turn towards the Lord in the name. और क्या चाहिए हमको? सिर्फ ओ faith in the sadhu की साधु बोल रहे हैं. Look at how ecstatic he is. He is a premi bhakta. Just with Hare Krishna Mahamantra in Tamkin Square Park, he has given Krishna to whole world. The sadhu is saying, और क्या चाहिए? Faith in that sadhu. And because I'm a beggar, a mood. This mood will draw the water from the clouds. This mood will condense the cloud so much so that the cloud cannot hold the water anymore and has to give the rainfall. So only two things. The sadhu given nama. Second thing is this mood. The mood towards the cloud cannot be any different from anything else. It's the same person. You don't be a beggar to the cloud and turn around, be a boss to somebody. I said, you don't be a beggar to someone and turn around and be a boss to somebody. That's not a real beggar. Doesn't the cloud know if you are a true beggar or not? Bas dono. Only these 2 points. See how Nama Aparada will go away and the bhajan will move to Nama Basa. Proportionately, see your bhakti will go from Aparada to Bhakti Abhasa. See how the miseries will start to, they dissolve, they dissipate, they are not there anymore. Not that something has to change from outside. If just these 2 things. And the cloud showers the rain. When we need rain, where do we look for rain? To the cloud, right? Not to the ground, not to the walls, not like that. So, that Nama is that cloud. Is that okay, Mataji?
Thank you so much, Mati. Thank you.
I don't know where to start. But it is so selective. It is precisely going where it has to go, where it wants to go. It is choosing the location, it is choosing the people. I mean, as a bystander, that's all I can say. And whoever is receiving it is feeling it. That's all I can say. Anyway, I don't know if I will repeat those because I don't know if you understand when I say that. So I'll just answer your questions. That's all. TK Mataji, Josna Mataji, answer one.
Thank you, Mataji. Just wanted to hear the glories of Nama. No answer, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, ma.